Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. MWF8 12 volt lamp driver, no output. Let's see what's wrong here. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because here are unisolated line voltage. Line neutral. I will apply power using series lamp. No indication. There is no indication on the lamp. Check AC input voltage, 230 volt. DC output, no output. Let's open it. Never touch any component, even the power is removed. Always verify voltage on this capacitor. If there are voltage on this capacitor, discharge it. No voltage. We will check fuse. Fuse good. This bad joint here, in this area there is bad joint, dry soldering. Yes. This diode is damaged. This D2 diode, this is damaged. It is in PFC section. Yes, this MOSFET is good, and this pin is connected to diode rectifier. Because when there is dry joint, it creates a resistance. At normal running current, it provides high resistance. When any component's resistance is increased at that time, it will dissipate more power. I will remove this capacitor so that we can take easy approach to the diode. Yes, this is the condition. This PCB, this area is damaged due to overheat. BYV26E. BYV26 EGP diode datasheet. Yes, ultra fast rectifier. We need ultra fast rectifier BYV26EGP 1000 volt, so it will work normally. I will install this diode here. Cathode of this diode will go to capacitor positive terminal. (19.7 microfarad). 22, it's within range. Here it is using L6562, it is PFC controller, and 6574 blast driver, and this is TL431 in 8-pin SMD IC. This is TL431, and here it is using CNY17 optocoupler. Let's apply power and we will check it. No indication on the lamp. Now first we will check voltage on this capacitor. Yes, we have 408 volt. Nice, we have 12 volt. Let me create 12 volt lamp here. Yes, we can see its PFC circuit and glass circuit is working now good. Now we will apply direct power. That's nice. Just a bad solder joint made this problem. When anywhere there is bad soldering joint, it causes to increase the temperature of the component because there is sparking. When there is sparking, the component junction temperature will increase. That component becomes damaged. And now this circuit is working good. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.